hell is that?
I would go out of my way to buy that.
Position it backwards more.
No, wait. I know what we did it work. Just that if the barrel was here, it wouldn't go all the way.
Oh,
what's the worst that
it
could
doesn't
happen?
sense clear. Get the water bottle. Coke. It doesn't sense clear.
That's true, it only black, dark color.
Really?
Yeah, dark stuff.
Alright, do it again.
You have a phone?
No, well now it's reset like that. Hold on.
You don't have it yet?
Work.
This time you're sliding, I can see that.
It's like not.
It's not going, you know.
It's getting ridiculous.
Oh god.
Okay, and then at the end, when it stops,
Let me get it to somebody else, I'll be right back.
yeah, I have it for you.
Who's next on the list? We have a palm and a robot. Who's next on the list?
Jose, talk. Oh, this is funny. Alright, what are we gonna do? Oh look, it's Vito.
Where's the palm and the robot that's free?
Oh, sorry,
Right here, right here, right here.
No, my knife.
Wait, what happened?
It didn't work.